This week I'm going to talk about emerging markets. You've probably heard a lot about the issues in emerging markets lately. First chart I want to show you today is just the divergence between what's happening in emerging markets compared to the US stock market, the S&P 500. So roughly from around about April, you can see both those markets have really gone their separate ways. The reason why I think it's important for Australia, the emerging markets are heavily indebted. European banks have lent a lot to the emerging markets. European stock markets are starting to get weaker as well. And that has an effect on Australia because we borrow, or our banks borrow, a lot of money in the European debt markets. So if we look at the Aussie stock market, just in the last couple of weeks, it's really fallen quite sharply, fallen below support there. I think that's partly to do with the issues in emerging markets that are probably starting to flow through into our economy. Also, the fact that you've got leadership issues and political issues in the Australian political environment, I think is affecting our local market as well. So plenty of headwinds at the moment. And as you can see, by falling through support there, I think certainly in the short term, we're going to go through a tough period. That's it from me today. Thanks for listening, and be sure to click on the link below to subscribe for more market updates.